Kia ora, this is Loba, Taiwanese braised pork, the best one-pot dish. I need ginger, garlic, spring onions, and pork belly. You can buy spice bag at supermarket. My herbs are star anise, white pepper, fennel seeds. Now we pan fry the skin side of the pork. Yep, you can see there's a lot of oil. Add sugar, cooking wine, ginger, and garlic. Now transfer everything into a bigger pot. Add water, soy sauce. The ratio should be 5 to 1. You can use a little bit dark soy sauce for coloring. Chilies are optional. Now you can also add boiled eggs, deep fried tofu, cooking for 1 hour. Wow, it looks so good. It's a perfect dish to eat with rice. You should try loba next time. 合家